There are many factors that contribute to a successful sew-out. One of them is having a design that's optimized for the fabric on which you're stitching. Fortunately, Hatch has a tool that makes this a snap. The Auto Fabric tool provides a list of predefined fabrics with customized stitch settings to help optimize your design for that fabric. These settings can include stitch spacing, underlay, and compensation. Now, this tool can't make a design work on every single fabric. For example, it's not going to make a red work design look good on a terry cloth towel. It's just not possible. So let's talk about how to use this. Open your design, and if we look at this design down here on the status bar, we can see that this one has been set up for pure cotton. If I want to change that for terry toweling, I'll click on Auto Fabric. I'll choose terry toweling from the list and click OK. Now we see terry toweling down here on the status bar. I'm going to undo that, and I want you to notice the stitch count. So I'll press Ctrl Z. This is 18,319 stitches. I'll do Ctrl Y to redo, and now we're over 20,000 stitches. If I go back to Auto Fabric, we can also see that it has a list of suggested stabilizers. We want a water-soluble film on the top, and it recommends tearaway for the back. Now, these are recommendations. These are not, this is how you must do it. You need to decide what works best for the way you're hooping, the kind of fabric you're using, the kind of stabilizer you're using, the kind of design you're using. There are a lot of factors that go into this. Because this doesn't look at this design. It doesn't say, oh, I see some skinny lettering there that might get lost in a terry cloth towel. I see this large animal that will go well on a terry cloth towel. It can't tell that. That's where you come in. You have to make some decisions, and Hatch can help you. Now, we do have other tools that can help make designs look good on towels, and one of them is the lay-down stitch. We'll cover that in another section. So whenever you open an EMB design, you can see what fabric, if any, has been applied by checking down here. If there's nothing here, then no fabric has been selected. Now, if you have a fabric that's not in that list, choose one that's similar in structure, stretch, and texture. When you apply an Auto Fabric, it applies the changes to the entire design. You can't just do it to a selection. Also, this tool will not adjust stitch files. It's working with objects, so we have to have an object file for it to work with. If you've opened a stitch file and had it converted to objects, then you can get some results that way. Auto Fabrics can change the object properties, but it cannot change any object shapes for more or less overlap. Also, please know that this is a guideline for what particular fabrics work with. You need to take into consideration all those other things like your fabric, the color of the fabric, your design, and the desired outcome. You may still need to adjust the design or choose a different one to work on a particular fabric.